Okay, greetings everyone, and welcome to the week 15 presentation for online freshman composition. We're almost done. You'll start to feel things really wrapping up this week, which is exciting. Okay, so the first thing is an overview of the week. We are going to be in the subfolder that's titled The Last 20% of Your Grade. We'll go over the general instructions and then introduce the last two assignments for the course. So, your assignments this week, obviously you're listening to the video, so number one, check. Number two, you need to watch the video that's titled The Last 20% of Your Grade. It will go over the last two projects. Each one is worth 10% of your grade. Then there's some practice with each one. For the annotated bibliography assignment, you have one entry due. And then for the podcast, you have your rhetorical analysis worksheet draft due. So let me go over those a little bit more. Again, step one, watch the video. Don't skip the videos. I've been saying that all semester. It's a good sign that you're listening to this one, but it's really important that you listen to the video that's entitled The Last 20% of Your Grade. That one matters because I go over the projects, give you all sorts of tips and advice on how to do them and what is expected of you. So make sure you listen to the video. So start there. Step two, you're going to work on your annotated bibliography. That's one of those big assignments. And you have one entry due this week, and that is to show me that you understand the project and that you know what you're doing, because there's 10 entries due total. And if you can do one correctly, then it logically makes sense that you can do the other 9 too. And then you're going to want to keep working on pulling those sources together for your argument and keep working on those entries. The annotated bib is due week 16, Friday of week 16. Okay, step 3, after you have a full understanding of the podcast argument project, which you will after you watch the video, then you're going to complete draft 1 of your podcast rhetorical analysis worksheet. Do a really good job on this, because if you do, you don't have to turn in a draft 2. But if you turn in draft 1 and I have lots of questions or feedback for you, then you will have to do a draft 2, and that is next week. So draft 1 is due this week, and you're going to, like I said, be culling sources for your annotated bib, which then is the evidence you'll use in your podcast. So you're kind of working on everything this week. Okay, that's all for week 15. Work ahead as much as you can. As you noticed, this entire 3-week span opened last week. You can work as quickly as you want to get done with the course. You can take your time. It is up to you at this point to figure out how you want to get through the last 3 weeks. But knowing that your annotated bibliography is due next Friday for week 16, and then your podcast argument and the final copy of your rhetorical analysis worksheet are due Tuesday of finals week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.